Welcome to our iHouse Elite video on changing your website template. In this video, we'll cover how to access the template section of the website, the difference in changing template series, color, and branding. And with that, let's get started. Begin by logging into your admin menu, scroll to the bottom of your homepage and click Admin Menu. From the admin menu, click Edit Your Website, seen here. And from the editing mode, in the top left, click Template, seen here. This will take you to the template section of your website where you can choose from pre-composed templates. Your template choice will determine the composition and display of your website, impacting mostly your homepage as well as other parts of your website. Changing your template is as easy as clicking Choose on the desired template, but before doing so, let's look at how to navigate the template section of your website. Templates can be filtered by color as well as preferred company branding and are grouped by template series. But we'll get into that in just a little bit. Starting off, you can search through the existing templates by color, and then if desired, you can also filter by preferred company branding. These can act as a great starting point for picking your template and then making it your own. With that, let's take a look at template series, as that will impact some of your choices. At the top of your screen, you can see this little bit of text here showing you which template you're actively using at this time. At the front of that, you'll see the name of the template series followed by its color. Now, we mention this because you can move between different series and their colors, but if you move to a different template series, it'll change the arrangement of things like widgets and the composition of your homepage. And let's take a look at that now. As an example, here is our current template. It's the Prosperity Pro series, and its color is the Sapphire version of that. This means that we can move freely between that series, the different colors for Prosperity Pro, and not have our widget layout or composition changed. It'll remain as is and just change the colors. Now, if we were to scroll back up to the top of the list of templates and choose Prosperity Turquoise, which is different from Prosperity Pro. One is the Prosperity series, the other is the Prosperity Pro series. If we were to change that, that will change our widget layout and composition of our homepage and areas of our site. So keep that in mind when selecting a template. And if you do choose a different template series, you can always revert your change by going back to the previous one, as long as you remember or have it noted which series you were on. It'll keep your composition as you move between the different series. And that concludes our training video on changing your website's template. If you'd like to learn more, please feel free to check out the other videos on our channel. Subscribing to our channel will give you updates and tutorials about our newest features and improvements as they're released. But most importantly, if you still need help or just have questions, please let us know. We'd be more than happy to help you. Give our Elite Service team a call at 866-645-7700. We're open Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. Central Time.